Hello, sir. I want to start by saying a big thanks to you for becoming my guide. And you were not just my guide for the dissertation, but everything that I have done in my career is all because of your guidance and support that I have received. I know you are always available for me whenever I ask for your advice. Your immediate response makes me feel very good, and you always support me wherever I need it. You are always being like a father figure to me, and Bina ma'am being a mother figure to me whenever I speak to both of you. And on this day of your retirement, I really want to say that I feel proud to be associated with you as your student, and I will always would want to seek your guidance in whatever I'm gonna do so that I can lead a very respectful life as the way that you do. I wish you all the luck and a happy and healthy life ahead.
Thank you so much, sir, for the enthusiasm that you bring to statistics. I don't remember any teacher जिसने इतने enthusiasm और humor के साथ कभी statistics पढ़ाया हो. So that is one thing that I'm going to always remember about you. Although आपने बहुत कम समय के लिए हमको पढ़ाया है, but it was worth it, and we are definitely going to miss you. I wish you all the luck for your future plans, sir. Thank you.
Achyutam Keshavam Krishna Damodaram. As I walk into Sir's office, I hear this song at all the time, signifying Sir as a very calm, hardworking and dedicated personality. Like an artist who molds his idol from the very grains of sand, Sir, you have helped me shape my career from the very scratch. I have been in awe with the precision you teach, keeping the scientific attitude intact. Your motto, facilitator of education, will always be my guiding force. I have learned values of discipline and integrity as you recited stories of your experiences and childhood and some kings and queens. I must say, you have ancient yet fancy ways of teaching. You always say that Krupa, you're my Harry Potter. But to Harry's disbelief, one day Professor Dumbledore also had to leave. It's very hard to digest, sir, that you are leaving. However, as you always say, Krupa, you have to learn to believe in yourself. More importantly, learn to defend yourself. I hope I make you proud, sir. Thank you.
Hello, sir. Thank you so much for everything that you have done for us right from the first day of college. And even through my college experience, I have never had a teacher who is so passionate about their work as you are.
My words cannot explain how painful it was when I heard of your retirement. Over the span of 2 years, you have become my strength, and you are the one I will always look up to in my life. I promise you that I will follow your path to greatness. This place will never be the same without you. Goodbye, Professor Dumbledore.
To thank you, sir, for being such an inspiring and wonderful teacher. I personally learned a lot from you, and I really appreciate the efforts that you put to make us understand the things, and I will keep learning that quality of knowledge from you. And I personally want to thank you a lot. One small quote for you: a teacher's job is to take a bunch of live wires and check whether they are well grounded or not. Thank you, sir.
Hello sir, I hope you're doing really well. I wanted to really thank you for guiding me during my masters and for giving us all the opportunities that you had. And I also want to wish you all the very best for your retirement. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. You have been an amazing guide to me in these 3 months. Two biggest things I have learned from you is humility and that learning never ends. All the best for your future. May you have fun-filled, joy and happiness-filled days, sir. You have been an amazing guide and teacher. Thank you.
हेलो सर, ऑडिटोरियम में आपके इंट्रोडक्टरी सेशन से लेके जो मदद आपने मेरी डिसर्टेशन में की थी, वहाँ से फिर आप मेरे स्टैट्स टीचर बने एमफिल फर्स्ट ईयर में. यू ऑलवेज बीन इंस्पायरिंग. ना केवल आपकी क्लासेस में सीखा है बल्कि आपके बिहेवियर, आपके आचरण से भी. सर, आपका जाना हमारा नुकसान है जिसका हमें दुख भी है और गुस्सा भी, पर हम सच में दुआ करते हैं आप जहाँ रहेंगे खुश रहेंगे, हमें याद करेंगे, because we will remember the difference that you made in our lives.
Hello sir, I hope you're doing great and in good health. You've been one of the best advisors, and the thing I really like about you is your positive approach to problems. The most important takeaway is that I saw your work ethic and discipline in the past 2 years, and I really look forward to applying them in my career and life. Thank you.
Good evening, sir. I would like to pay my gratitude and regards. It's very hard to believe that you're leaving. However, I shall always remain thankful for all the statistics lessons that you've taught us. Thank you, sir, for everything.
Hello, sir. Sir, I can't digest this that you are leaving it. I'm very, very sad about this. I can only say thank you very much, sir. You have constantly pushed me to go out of my comfort zone and keep pursuing my research. There were many times when I wanted to quit, but you always had faith in me. You had my back. You got me this one year extension as well. And you have helped me immensely with the research knowledge that you have. Quantitative, qualitative, you have pushed me to learn more, to do things that I have never done earlier. And you have been the ideal PhD guide I could have ever imagined. Thank you so much, sir. And I will definitely be in contact with you forever. Thank you, sir.